Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So USB mouse is not working, so what we do? Firstly guys, you click to this PC and right click to manage. I want we want to uninstall the driver. Okay, so driver manager, and this is so USB mouse. This is PST2 mouse. Okay, and this is USB. So right click, uninstall. Firstly you uninstall, then properties. Okay, so uninstall device and then okay. Second solutions guys, click to start button, type edit power plan and okay, click to advance, minimize, USB setting, USB selective suspense setting. If enable your system, so disable, apply, okay. Third solution is click to start button, go to setting, in system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, select Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth, and click to this is Bluetooth and click to run. Now wait for 4 minutes and then troubleshoot your systems. Okay, then guys restart your systems, automatically solve your problem. Okay, bye bye, take care. Have any issue please contact me.